Children, so we are discussing about the simple electric circuit. Yesterday we completed conductors and insulators. Did you complete the table 2 and table 3 in your textbook? I asked you to finish that one yesterday to know what are the examples of conductors and what are the examples of insulators. What are conductors? The substances which allow the electricity to flow through them are called as conductors, and insulators are the substances which do not allow the electricity to flow through them are called as conductors. Today we are going to discuss about the torchlight. What are the different parts of the torchlight? What is the construction of the torchlight and how we are using that torchlight? So in that, first let us see the diagram of the torchlight. This is an 8 marks answer which is very important, which always repeats in the exam. So first let us see what is a torchlight. So see here. Here comes not an exactly just a rough diagram of the torchlight. Got the point? This is 8 marks answer means 4 marks for your diagram and 4 marks for the explanation. So coming to here, what are the different parts of the torchlight? Coming to here, it is having a hollow cylindrical barrel. First one, hollow cylindrical barrel. Okay. Second one, it is having metal spring. Inside the cap, not outside. Okay. Here metal cap will be present, and to this metal cap what is present? Metal spring is present. Okay. Now inside this you can see a wire is present. This is called as a copper wire. This is called as copper wire, and it is having a switch to on and off the torchlight. This is, sorry, not the inside one, this is copper wire. Now coming to this outside part, what it is there, this is called as a switch. Okay. Next, these are the cells which we placed in the back. What is that? Torchlight. We know that positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, like this, or positive, negative we will place, then only we can see that the torch will glow. Now next part, it is having the glass chamber. The outside part is called as, this part is called as glass chamber. Inside the glass chamber, it is having a reflector. Inside the glass chamber, it is having a reflector. And last and final one, this is the bulb which is present inside. Okay, what are the different parts of the torchlight? First one is a hollow cylindrical barrel. Okay, the next one is a metal spring which is present to the cap. Third one is the cell inside. Fourth one is copper wire. Fifth one is switch. Sixth one glass chamber. Seventh one bulb. Eighth one reflector. Total 8 different parts are present to the torchlight. What we have to do means we have to remove the metal cap, insert the cells into the torchlight according how to how positive and negative manner. Okay, insert and close the metal cap. When we open the metal cap, what is happening? The circuit is an open circuit. Means the circuit is not completed. After inserting the cells into that and when we close the metal cap, the circuit is closed circuit. Means it is a complete circuit. Now on the switch. At that moment what you can see, the bulb will glow. Okay, here this glass chamber and this reflector acts as a concave. This glass chamber will act as a concave mirror. The bulb is very small also. The brightness given by that glass chamber will be more. Got the point? So, in this way we can say that the glass chamber acts as a concave mirror and this bulb will glow. If you did not insert the cells properly, the bulb will not glow. Okay. If the switch is also not in proper position, then also it will not. Did you understand that? The once again, a very important answer. What are the parts present? Hollow cylindrical barrel, metal spring, copper wire, cell, switch, reflector, bulb, glass chamber. Now what is the answer for this one? Okay. Now we are going to write that one. The first point. So please see here the very important answer. Now the first point is torchlight is used as a source of light. First very important point is torchlight is used as a source of light. Second point is the parts of the torchlight are hollow cylindrical barrel, metal spring, copper wire, switch, reflector, bulb, glass chamber are the different parts of the torchlight. The next third point is torch consists of a hollow cylindrical barrel in which cells are fitted, where we can fit the cells. Third point you try to understand. Torch consists of a hollow cylindrical barrel in which cells are fitted. Next one is at one end of it there is a lid which is screw with a screw. Sorry. At one end of it there is a lid with a screw which can be opened and closed the circuit. Which way we can open and close the circuit. Then the next point is when the lid is closed, okay, and the switch is in on, the circuit is completed and current flows in the circuit which makes the bulb to glow, and we will say it as a complete circuit. Now itself you have to know this answer, very important. The first point is torchlight is used as a source of light. Second one is what are the different parts it is having. Third one is torch consists of a hollow cylindrical barrel in which cells are fitted. Okay. Next one, at one end of it there is a lid with a screw which can be opened and closed the circuit. Next one is when the lid is closed and the switch is on, the circuit is completed and current flows through the circuit which makes the bulb to glow. Did you got the answer? What are this diagram you have to draw and the answer. Next. The next one is what do you mean by electric shock? For this the answer is so see here. What do you mean by electric shock? The very important answer. When a large amount of electric current passes through the human body due to contact with high voltage, Okay, or being struck by lightning usually involves burns and abnormal heartbeat and unconsciousness. Very important. What is electric shock? When a large amount of electric current passes through the human body due to contact with high voltage lines or being struck by a lightning usually involves burns and abnormal heartbeat and unconsciousness. Got the point? Today we talked about torchlight and next about the electric shock. Tomorrow I'll continue. Thank you.